Welcome to Print Service and Manufacturing. Today, we will be showcasing our Peddinghaus Advantage 2 CNC beam drill line. This state-of-the-art machine revolutionizes our structural steel fabrication process, offering unmatched efficiency and precision. With its ability to drill, scribe, and mill with absolute accuracy, and an average of 150 tons of steel processed per week, the Advantage 2 ensures that every project we handle meets our high-quality standards. Equipped with advanced features like automatic tool changers, high-speed drilling capabilities, bandsaw integration, and the Multmaster measurement system, the Advantage 2 maximizes our productivity while minimizing downtime. Our commitment to continuous improvement through technology ensures we can continue to meet and exceed customer expectations. For more information or to request a quote, please visit www.printservice.com and make sure to subscribe for more content like this.